We're talking about 3I/Atlas, an interstellar visitor that makes the mysterious Oumuamua look like a harmless pebble. This object is 75 times larger, and unlike anything astronomers have ever encountered, it is changing course on its own. Even more astonishing, it appears to be communicating, not with us, but with something else. Something that has been waiting on Earth for 65 million years. If you think you understand what's happening in our solar system right now, think again. The James Webb Space Telescope has just uncovered phenomena that do not merely challenge our understanding of comets or asteroids, they challenge our understanding of whether humanity is truly alone in the universe. Imagine yourself as an astronomer working the night shift at the Atlas Observatory in Chile, scanning the same patch of sky thousands of times before. Suddenly, your computer erupts with alerts. Something massive is moving through space in a manner that defies all logic. That's exactly what happened when 3I/Atlas first appeared in our telescopes. Unlike ordinary space rocks, this object did not follow chaotic, unpredictable paths shaped by billions of years of gravitational interactions. Most interstellar objects appear like cosmic bullets, streaking through the solar system only to vanish in days or weeks. 3I/Atlas, however, moved with controlled precision that seemed almost intentional, following a calculated trajectory that appeared designed to observe every major planet in the solar system. The size of 3I/Atlas alone is mind-boggling. While Oumuamua measured only about 200 meters, this object spans over 15 kilometers across, like comparing a car to an entire city. Whatever this entity is, it did not arrive unnoticed, it came to make a statement. But the real shock came when scientists attempted to trace its origin. Using the most powerful supercomputers on Earth, astronomers calculated 3I/Atlas's trajectory and discovered something impossible. This object had survived the perilous journey between stars while navigating cosmic hazards that should have obliterated any natural body. Radiation storms, asteroid fields, gravitational anomalies capable of pulverizing planets. It passed through all with surgical precision, like a paper airplane flying through a hurricane and emerging unscathed. When NASA directed the James Webb Space Telescope toward 3I/Atlas, expectations were modest. Scientists hoped to simply determine its composition or confirm its trajectory. Instead, they discovered something that created an entirely new category of cosmic phenomenon. The data returned was so unprecedented that mission teams initially assumed their instruments were malfunctioning. Webb revealed that 3I/Atlas is emitting carbon dioxide at levels dwarfing any known comet. Even more astonishing, the CO2 detected displayed a purity and organization that natural processes cannot produce. The heat signature of the object is equally abnormal. Normal comets heat chaotically as they approach the sun, producing random temperature fluctuations as ice vaporizes and surface materials react to solar radiation. 3I/Atlas, however, generates heat in perfect mathematical patterns, rhythmic pulses occurring every 147 seconds, as precise as a Swiss watch. This 147-second pulse is not random. Scientists comparing Webb's data with archived observations of Oumuamua found the exact same rhythm embedded in that older object's signal. Two interstellar objects, separated by years and millions of kilometers, broadcasting identical signals. What are the odds that such a coincidence could occur naturally? Astronomically low, literally impossible. The electromagnetic pulses detected are not mere noise, they are structured. Teams of cryptographers and mathematicians analyzing the signals discovered mathematical constants hidden within the electromagnetic static, golden ratios, Fibonacci sequences, prime numbers, not approximations, but exact, precise values encoded like a cosmic fingerprint. These same mathematical principles govern everything from DNA to galaxy formation, even reflecting patterns in ancient human architecture. 3I/Atlas is not merely broadcasting mathematics. It appears to be transmitting the fundamental algorithms of life itself. The signal evolves, adapts, and responds to its environment. When Webb first locked onto the object, the signal shifted within hours, as if the entity sensed observation and adjusted its broadcast accordingly. Even more unsettling, the signal is directional. It points toward specific coordinates within our solar system, deep space, and disturbingly, toward Earth itself. This is not a random phenomenon. It is targeted, deliberate, and intelligent. If this is not mind-blowing enough, consider the implications. We are witnessing structured communication from an entity of unknown origin, capable of manipulating its signals to convey purpose and intention across interstellar distances. Recall Oumuamua, the cigar-shaped object that baffled astronomers in 2017. Its trajectory and acceleration could not be explained by conventional physics. Many speculated that it might represent alien technology, though it vanished before we could learn its purpose. Now, 3I/Atlas forces us to reconsider. Could Oumuamua have been a reconnaissance probe, a scout evaluating our solar system, our technological development, our readiness for contact? The evidence supporting this idea grows. Both objects broadcast the same 147-second pulse, both exhibit non-gravitational acceleration, and both arrive during periods of human technological advancement. Oumuamua appeared amid the peak of Mars exploration. 3I/Atlas arrives as Webb begins its deep observations. Where Oumuamua seemed to avoid detection, 3I/Atlas appears almost eager for attention, a deliberate contrast, perhaps a Phase 2 approach, signaling first contact. July 28, 2025, marked a new milestone. Telescopes worldwide recorded an unprecedented event. 3I/Atlas executed a deliberate course correction. Not a minor drift caused by solar radiation or outgassing, but a precise maneuver that altered its trajectory to approach Earth's orbital plane. Objects do not self-navigate in the vacuum of space. There must be a force, a propulsion system, but Webb sensors detected no exhaust, no thermal signature, no observable mechanism. It was as if 3I/Atlas willed itself into a new trajectory. The timing was chilling. The maneuver occurred exactly 72 hours after Webb completed its most detailed analysis of the object, suggesting awareness, response, and an intelligence capable of interacting with its environment in real time. The spectroscopic analysis added another layer of mystery. Webb detected not only unusual chemistry, but the organized building blocks of life. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, complex carbon molecules, and RNA precursors were found in purity and structural organization impossible for cosmic processes. These organic compounds are identical to molecules believed to have initiated life on Earth. Yet, in 3I/Atlas, they appear intentionally cultivated, possibly engineered. This implies that the object is not only a traveler but a seed ship, an interstellar ark carrying life between star systems. If Earth is its target, it is not random. The planet may have been carefully selected for biological compatibility, raising profound questions about its intent. Remarkably, the object's influence extends beyond its presence in space. Seismologists worldwide detected low-frequency vibrations pulsing through Earth's crust every 147 seconds, synchronized with the electromagnetic signals from 3I/Atlas. Animal behavior is responding as well. Whales abandon traditional migration routes, forming geometric patterns in the ocean. Birds create spiral formations mirroring the